In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your own author profile image without creating a Gravatar account. So if you go to the author section, you will not find any images. And if you go to profile section here, just click on profile. And here there is no option to upload your own image and you need to create an account on Gravatar. So if you want to upload local image, then you have to use plugins like Simple Local Avatar. You can download it and use it on your website. But in this video, I'm going to show you a method where you don't need a plugin. You just need some PHP code on your website and you can upload your own local avatar without creating a Gravatar account. So let's check how you can do that. So for this, what I can do is I will just use a code manager plugin to add the code to my website, or you can directly add this code in the theme file editor. And here you can just go to function.php and you can add the code at the end of this file. But for simple operation, I need a code manager plugin on my website. So let's go to plugin and I will click on add plugin and I will simply search for WP code. I will use this plugin WP code. Just install and activate this plugin. Now you need to go to code snippet and click on add snippet. Now you can click on add your custom code and here you need to select PHP snippet. Now you can set a name like this, local profile picture or local Gravatar picture. And here you need to paste a code like this. I will provide the code link in the description. Just copy the code and paste it. That's it. Now just scroll down and make sure to set the location to run everywhere. That's it. Hit activate and save snippet. Now let's go to profile. Now scroll down and here you will see a new option, avatar. Now you can upload your own avatar image. Just click on select from media library. Now you can select the image from media or you can upload your own image. So let's upload our image. And let me click on use this image. Now let's update it. As you can see, your images is now updated. You can see the image here or you can visit the website and see the author section. Just click on here and the image is updated in our author page. Let's go to blog post and it also shown in the author section. So this is how you can upload a custom profile image in WordPress. All you have to do is use a PHP code snippet on your website and that's it. And you can also change the profile image. Just scroll down, click on image, upload a different image, hit update. And as you can see, the author image is now changed. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you do, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.